Yes, the Qwal guys are doing it bigly, fatly, and they are not giving up. As you can see on the video, that is the water pipeline that is leading from the water catchment to the Qwal Village. As I said before, Qwal Village is a village in NYASOSO that is being constructed by the Qwal Cultural Dance Group NYASOSO Kupengwanengoba Division in NYASOSO, where they will rear birds, goats, snail farming, pig farming, and the like. Join us, support us. Thank you. Qwal Village is doing it. Water pipeline in the making. Yes, let's make this happen. The water pipeline leading to Qwal Village in NYASOSO. Qwal Village in NYASOSO. You can never beat that. These guys are serious. These guys are bent. These guys want to make it happen. Water pipeline leading to Qwal Village. Qwal Village is a reality. Join us to make this happen. Join us create this history. Join us to make this wonderful history be a reality. Thank you, guys.